Hello everyone, this is our final Vajrasattva purification review video, and this past week we have focused, as you may remember, on the power of promise. And I think the main takeaway about the power of promise is that we're encouraged to make achievable promises for ourselves, knowing what we can promise and for how long. And so through accomplishing these many goals that we set out for ourselves, we build our confidence. We build an authentic confidence knowing that we can do it. So you can read about the power of promise a little bit in Joyful Path of Good Fortune. And I read a couple of, or taught from a couple of very special paragraphs on the chapter of karma. The karma chapter, you might remember that. So you can go back to those paragraphs, which encourage us to practice in moderation, gently, comfortably, so that our mindfulness will improve, our memory and meditation will improve, and we'll find joy, in our meditation practice instead of trying to do too much too soon and getting confused and cramming things in and so forth. So you can try to refresh your memory about the power of promise. And that concluded our looking at the 4 opponent powers. Quiz time. 4 opponent powers. They are
regret, reliance, opponent force, and promise.
Studio audience back there is very good. You got all of them. A+. Yes. And these purify the 4 suffering effects of negative actions. Okay, this is Buddha's skillful method to purify all negativity. And then today, Sunday, we started looking at the practice of self-generation. This is when Vajrasattva comes to our heart, and then we meditate on emptiness and bliss, and we practice becoming actual pure being ourself, Vajrasattva ourself, in our enlightened world, pure world. And so we'll continue that this week. In the Tuesday class, we're going to look at what's called the yoga of non-dual appearance and emptiness, which is taught about in modern Buddhism in the chapter on the practice of Haruka Body Mandala, which I taught from today. And also there's some teaching on this in Mirror of Dharma. So we'll look at that. And then the final session will be on completion stage practice, which is meditating on the central channel. So I'll explain what the central channel is and the purpose of meditating on it, and then I'll guide a meditation on completion stage for you. And that will complete our Vajrasattva month. It's just flown by. I hope that it's been a benefit to you, that you've learned and experienced a lot and you feel joyful. Last thing I'll say, 2 things, as always more, is Monday is Haruka Day. It's our annual celebration of this amazing Buddha who I taught about today, a little bit about today. And so Monday we'll have an offering to the spiritual guide, prayers to celebrate Haruka Day. And the final thing was, I wanted to say that sometimes when we're doing purification practice, we go through some things, some physical pain, some emotional changes, some purification, So that's totally normal, expected, because if we're going to get out these obstacles and blockages, it's a little bit, sometimes a little bit difficult. And it's like saying to Sarah, it's like going to physical rehab. Your muscles hurt a little bit, but you're getting stronger. So no worries if you have had a few ups and downs. It's all par for the course as we're becoming a more pure, enlightened being, understanding our own mind, our own karma more. It's just how it goes. So thank you so much for your interest. And if you have any questions come up, please do shoot them over to me.